Whether you use numbers, letters, colors, or images, Sudoku Pick and Place gives you full creative control. With Sudoku Pick and Place, you can create Sudoku puzzles using numbers, letters, colors, or images. Start by selecting Sudoku Pick and Place from the Puzzle Type menu. Set the grid size to 6x6. It's a great size for visual or educational puzzles. Choose numbers as your symbol type. Set the range from 1 to 9 and use only the first 6 numbers. Go to the Layout tab and select Unique Items to show 1 tile per symbol. Set the tile set sort order to alphabetic. Now change the symbol selection drawing to random to get random numbers from the set. Now switch the symbol type to letters. Next, choose colors as your symbol type. Set up 6 colors manually to match your style or select random colors. Now switch the symbol type to images. You can use your own images using drag and drop. Whether you use numbers, letters, colors, or images, Sudoku Pick and Place gives you full creative control.